Hi, this is Max for PML, and today I will show you how to make an interesting and cool producer deck.
Cloudbreak Beats.
So first thing is to record your sample, Cloudbreak Beats. I encourage you to record your own samples, it's always better. And first thing we need to do is compress our vocal. We need all the words in our sample be equal, so let's put a compressor, turn off the makeup, turn the threshold a little bit down, set short attack, ratio to infinity. Cloudbreak Beats. So a little too much. Cloudbreak Beats. Let's hit just the peaks. Cloudbreak Beats. Okay, a little bit better, but I can hear the S at the end. It's a little bit too harsh, so let's put an EQ and find a peak. Okay, somewhere around here. Cloudbreak Beats. Okay, much better. Now let's put in reverb. Cloudbreak Beats. Let's put it wet all the way up and loop just the first word and hit freeze after it plays. Okay, now when we have our ambient sound, let's add another audio track, set from external in to resampling. Hit record here and let's hit Alt F9. Okay, this is enough. We can turn off the reverb. Let's put a fade, so it's gently fading in. Yeah, just like that. So let's put an Autopen. Turn them out to all the way up, phase to 0, and we'll play with the rate. So let's automate it. Cloudbreak Beats. Okay, so now I would like to cut off some of the low frequencies. Cloudbreak Beat. And boost some of the highs. Cloudbreak. Yeah, now let's put in distortion. I like the pedal audio effect. Let's put it into distortion. Turn down the dry wet. Cloudbreak Beats. Now, when you have our vocal, let's duplicate it. Transpose it about 7 steps. Set it to Complex Pro and turn down the formats. Cloudbreak Beats. Okay, so now it's sounding much more interesting. Now let's make an hash effect with simple delay. Let's set to time both of the channels. Set first to 1 and second to about 15. Turn up the dry wet and let's hear it now. Cloudbreak Beats. Now it's on the left and right ear only. We don't want the low frequencies here, so let's put an EQ. Cloudbreak Beats. Cloudbreak Beats. I like the low mid, but the very low end is not too good. Cloudbreak Beats. Sounding much better now. I'd like the pedal again. Turn out the gain a little bit, distortion and wet down. Cloudbreak Beats. Really soul. Cloudbreak Beats. Now we would like to turn on the reverb here on our main vocal. Lower the dry wet. Decay time a little bit less, maybe 3.5, somewhere around here. And let's hear it now. Before we do, let's unfreeze. Cloudbreak Beats. Okay, this is way too much, so let's lower the input processing. Cloudbreak Beats. Okay, so now when we have our reverb on, let's turn down the low end of the main vocal. Cloudbreak Beats. And let's add an OTT. Cloudbreak Beats. We can hear an ambient sound that we don't want here, so let's make a gentle fade out. Cloudbreak Beats. Here as well, why not? Cloudbreak Beats. And here maybe. Cloudbreak Beats. I feel like the low end cut is too much. Cloudbreak Beats. Now you can play with erosion, for example, on the fade in. Just like that, maybe subtle amount. Let's automate the frequency. Cloudbreak Beats. Yeah, maybe a little bit less. Cloudbreak Beats. Yeah, I like it like that. So now let's hear it in action.